Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Xiaomi phones come with amazing features like large batteries, high-resolution cameras, and fast processors, which are usually more expensive. Friends, today I brought an interesting video about Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which has been released on April 18, 2023. We will see its price in different countries and all specs in detail. Before this, if you are new on this channel, then immediately subscribe our channel to get latest news and updates. Let's start this video. Let's see its design then. It has under-display fingerprint sensor. On its right side, power button and volume keys is given. At the bottom, stereo speakers, USB Type-C port and microphones can also be seen. On the back of phone, there is a large circular camera module is given in which 4 cameras are merged. And at the top, IR blaster, stereo speakers, microphone and noise cancellation mic is given. An LED flash and branding of Leica technology can be seen in the mid of cameras, which gives it a unique look. And the branding of Xiaomi is also given. If we see overall design, then there is no doubt that it comes with beautiful design which attracts the customers. If we talk about the price of Xiaomi 13 Ultra, then its price is $870, 1,200 Canadian dollars, 800 euros, 72,000 Indian rupees, 2,43,000 Pakistani rupees, 93,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that, we talk about display. Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED display of 6.73-inch with HDR10+ feature. LTPO is a dynamic display technology that reduces power consumption by dynamically adjusting display brightness, color levels and quality based on the content on the screen. And you will also get higher refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is a good refresh rate. It has maximum peak brightness of 2600 nits, which provide good viewing experience in bright sunlight. And its screen resolution is 1440 by 3200 pixels. And 522 ppi density is given, which is a good ppi. If we talk about the operating system of Xiaomi 13 Ultra, then latest Android 13 operating system is used. And the layer of MIUI 14 is used. If we talk about its chipset power, then the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset has been used, which is a flagship processor, and it provides fast performance and high-quality graphics with 4nm process technology for heavy games like Call of Duty, Genshin Impact and PUBG. If we talk about its benchmark score, then total benchmark score of Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 12,43,855. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which one CPU of 3.2 GHz, for CPUs of 2.8 GHz and 3 CPUs of 2.0 GHz can be seen. And latest GPU Adreno 740 is used. Let's talk about my favorite feature, which is cameras. It has a main sensor of 50 megapixels which has 2 apertures of f1.9 and f4.0. And it has PDAF, laser autofocus and optical image stabilization feature, which helps to focus moving objects and provide a high-quality image of these objects. And the second one is 50 megapixels ultra-wide sensor with f1.8 apertures. It also has PDAF feature. And third one is telephoto sensor of 50 megapixels which has f1.8 apertures and 3.2x optical zoom feature is given. And fourth one is periscope telephoto sensor of 50 megapixels which has f3.0 apertures. It has PDAF, OIS and 5x optical zoom. Xiaomi 13 Ultra has a front camera of 32 megapixels for selfies and video calls. And you can record high-quality video of 8K at 24 frames per second from main sensor. Leica cameras use sophisticated algorithms to track and focus of moving subjects and provide high-quality images. Let's see some pictures taken from Xiaomi 13 Ultra. In terms of memory, you will get dynamic RAM of LPDDR5X 12GB and 16GB. It comes with 3 variants. First variant 12GB plus 256GB and second variant 16GB plus 512GB and third variant 16GB plus 1TB internal storage. And storage type of UFS 4.0 is also given. If we see its sound quality, then it has stereo speakers, but headphone jack is not given. If we talk about the body dimensions, then its height is 163.2 mm, 74.6 mm width, and thickness is 9.1 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 89.5%, which is a good ratio. And its weight is 277 grams. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass Victus is given on the front. And its back panel is made of eco-leather and frame is made of aluminum. And it has IP68 rating, which will protect the phone from water up to a depth of 1.5 meters at least for 30 minutes. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. If we talk about battery department, then it comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5000 mAh. And fast charger of 90 watt is given, which can charge your phone from 0 to 100% only in 35 minutes. It has 50 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse wireless charger. It is available in black, olive green, white famous colors, which looks awesome. So friends, if we look at the overall features and specification of Xiaomi 13 Ultra, then it comes with amazing specs like high-quality cameras, fast processor and massive battery and amazing cameras. So friends, what is your opinion about this smartphone? Tell me in comment. I hope you have enjoyed this video. To see latest content and videos, subscribe our channel and also click on the bell icon for latest updates.